I'm going to teach you how to get monetized on YouTube as fast as possible. Let's go. Alright, welcome back to my channel everyone. It's me here and this is another episode of my channel where we talk about all things YouTube. If you are new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. I update my channel every single week with some type of video that should help you grow on YouTube. So if you want to grow quicker, please consider subscribing. This week we're going to be talking about how to get monetized as fast as possible. This is something that I get asked about literally hundreds of times a day in my YouTube community section. In case you didn't know, in order to monetize your channel on YouTube, you have to meet two requirements. You need to have 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, and you need to have 1,000 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how to achieve both of those things. I am going to give you some real-world examples so you can see exactly what you need to do in order to get monetized as fast as possible. Alright, let's dive right in. Tip No. 1. Use Shorts to get monetized. Look, there's no way around it. Shorts are the future of YouTube. YouTube is pushing Shorts harder than they've ever pushed anything before. They've literally created an entire tab on their mobile app for watching Shorts. And one of the best parts about Shorts is that they count towards your watch hour requirement. Now, I know that may seem like a weird thing to say because traditionally, Shorts don't make very much money. But what I mean by that is that when people watch your short, whether they watch it for 1 second or they watch it for 60 seconds, that counts as one view and it goes towards your overall watch hour requirement. So here's a real-life example of someone who used Shorts to get monetized faster. This is called Mr. Beast. He started his YouTube channel on November of 2019. As you can see right here, he was uploading long-form videos just like I was at the beginning of my YouTube career. And then, on March of 2021, he started uploading Shorts. Shorts immediately took off, and on April 2021, he hit 100 million views. Just for reference, he had 27 million views prior to March, so he got 100 million views in 1 month from uploading Shorts. He has gained over 8 million subscribers since March of 2021, and he got monetized a lot faster because of the views from his Shorts. Now keep in mind that Mr. Beast was not the first person to upload Shorts on YouTube. What made him different is that he was able to make Shorts that went viral. If you look at the stats on his Shorts, most of them have 100 million views, 200 million views, 300 million views. That is what allowed him to get monetized a lot faster than he would have otherwise. If you go to his channel tab, you can actually filter between Shorts and videos and you can see that he has 1,300 Shorts with 100 million views and only 48 videos with 27 million views. Now I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking that you can't just make Mr. Beast style Shorts and expect to get the same results that he got. And you're right. The reason that he was able to get such crazy views on his Shorts is because he had been creating content for a long time. He knew what types of videos were doing well on his channel, and he was able to translate that into Shorts. For example, this short right here, which has 22 million views, is basically the same idea as this long-form video, which has 12 million views. You can see that the thumbnail is the exact same and the title is the exact same. The only difference is that the short is obviously shorter, and it has some text on the screen, and the long-form video does ink. If you're going to try to replicate Mr. Beast's success, you need to realize that he spent years honing his craft before he was able to get that type of traction on Shorts. The good news is that you don't need to get Mr. Beast's level traction on your Shorts in order to get monetized. You just need to create Shorts that perform well relative to your audience. For example, if you're uploading Shorts in the fitness niche, you don't need to be blowing up the charts next to other fitness creators. You just need to be doing better than the average fitness creator. Alright, tip No. 2. Livestream to get monetized faster. Just like Shorts, livestreams also count towards your watch hour requirement. And again, it doesn't matter how long people watch your stream for. Just the fact that they're watching it all. Every single view counts as one view and it goes towards your overall watch hour requirement. Here is a real-life example of someone who used live streaming to get monetized a lot faster than they would have otherwise. This is called Pokimane. She started her channel on November of 2013, but she didn't start streaming until July of 2016, as you can see. For the first year and a half of her channel, she wasn't really streaming that much. She was just uploading regular old videos. Then in July of 2016 she started streaming and in August of 2016 she hit 100,000 followers. That's right, 100,000 followers in 1 month from streaming. If you look at her analytics, you can see that she has over 1,000 streams and they've given her 4.6 million hours of watch time. The reason that streaming helped her get monetized so much faster is because it gave her a way to interact with her audience in real time. When you live stream, people can chat with you and ask you questions and you can answer those questions. That type of interaction makes people feel like they have a personal connection with you and it keeps them coming back for more. A lot of people on YouTube say that they don't believe in streaming and that it is not worth their time. But I disagree. Streaming is a great way to build an audience and it can help you get monetized a lot faster. Alright, that's it for tips on how to get monetized faster. I know a lot of you guys are looking for secret strategies and hacks that will help you get monetized in the fastest amount of time possible. But the reality is that it takes time to build an audience and you can't rush that process. The best thing that you can do is focus on creating great content and the rest will take care of itself. Now before we end this video, I want to give you one more piece of advice. If you want to get monetized faster, you need to focus on growing your audience. The more people that know about your channel, the faster you'll get monetized. And there's no better place to promote your YouTube channel than right here on my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please leave me a like. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe. And if you want to grow on YouTube, please consider checking out my YouTube mentorship program. I've helped over 10,000 creators grow on YouTube and I can help you too. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.